Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send SMS in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we can just go and search for our accounts or contacts so we can create some SMS or send some messages. And basically, we can try the first one by going, for example, to contact. And as you can see, as an action, you can send an email and you can also find these phone calls, etc. Or you can have also an SMS. And another thing that you will need to do is to create your SMS service or setting up your service in your organization. And also you can try to go to the app exchange, and basically in the app launcher we need just to click on view all, and after that we need to visit the app exchange and you can add some services that will make it more easier to send SMS messages from Salesforce. So let's just type SMS, and from there you will be able to find many applications that offer this service, and one of them is Mowgli. You can also have this app also, and basically we can just go here and you can get it now, and you can try this application that would allow you to start sending SMS in uh, Salesforce. So basically this is how you can be able to send an SMS message from Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.